Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, you're welcome to this channel, and to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be, according to the title of this video, I'll be doing my university room tour. And you guys might be thinking maybe I'm staying in the school hostel, but no, I'm staying off campus. So this is basically me showing you guys my room. And for those who wish to stay off campus and you want to get an hostel, or you want to know how the hostel would look like between the budget of 90k to 150k, then this video is for you. You should know how it looks like or what is inside the room. Just stay tuned and watch the video. Don't go anywhere, okay? Don't go anywhere. Anyways, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. Give my video a big thumbs up if you like it, and also drop a comment in the section below. Let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so we'll start from this part of my room where I have my table and my chair, and on it you can see my books, my glasses. This is my power bank that I use, and this is the small ring light I'm using to film my video. My books are beneath the table where I arranged them, so you guys can see. Please don't excuse that cake, as you are seeing that cake. It is an improvisation. What do I call it? Improvise. My chair don't break, so that is more like it's helping my chair to balance for the meantime. So this is my bed, yeah, and here I have my everything that I use for my body cream, my hair cream, and my toothpaste, my hair stuff, and yeah, these are my hair stuff. You guys know I'm an hairstylist, so yeah, that is it. And this is my basket. This is actually supposed to be where I should be keeping my dirty clothes, but then I don't have space to put the the rest of my clothes, so I had to just use it to keep my clothes as well. So that is it. And up, so yeah, we have a wardrobe here in this hostel. As you guys can see, it actually looks really okay, although I actually do not like the fact that this is it where I arrange my clothes. The lower part of it, I keep my shoes, my slippers, everything. So yeah, I actually wish that it has step where I can keep my clothes, because as it is now, if I arrange my clothes to the top, it will get to some point where it will start falling. So that's why I kept some of them inside this basket. But it's actually nice, yeah, where you can put your, as you can see. Okay, that is it. And the upper part there, you can see my makeup box and my bag, and other stuff. Now let's go into the kitchen. Before the kitchen, this is where I keep my waste bin and my broom and my packer. And then time to enter the kitchen. So yeah, in the kitchen, the lovely kitchen. Okay guys, so yeah, I have my drum where I store my water. honestly guys, my mom is the best, because initially when I came and she suggested on us buying this room, I was like, no, what do I need it for? It's even too big. Let her buy this one. But it was actually like, up until now, you guys can see I'm still using it and it's really helpful. So yeah, I have my gas, so you guys can see, and where I keep my plate. And these actually, they are my dirty plates that I'm going to be washing later. Yeah, I have my food stuff, ingredient, and all of it. So my hostel has a kitchen cabinet where you can store anything you want to store, your food stuff. And yeah, it's quite okay. Like the, oh, I don't know why it's looking, it's very okay. And I must say, for the price, the room is really spacious and comfortable. Yeah, it is. Guys, this is the toilet and the bathroom. It is fully tiled to the top, and yeah, it is what it is. Guys, that is all that I have in this room. And if you have, your budget for an hostel is between the price of 90,000 naira to 150k, you can actually get a room this spacious. And although for the 90k you might not get a room that has a wardrobe and a kitchen cabinet for 90k, and even if you see a room that has a wardrobe and a kitchen cabinet, then it will be very far from the school area. So this, my place is close to the school area, so it is okay for the price. And that's just it. There are other places too that are close to the school that you get to see for 90,000 naira, but you will definitely not have a wardrobe in it and a kitchen cabinet. Sometimes it might not be tiled, and sometimes the toilet and the bathroom might not be fully tiled to the top. So yeah, that is just it. This is what you can see in Ilorin for the price of 90k to 150k as a student, if you want to get an hostel for yourself. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up, guys. And if you've not subscribed, why haven't you subscribed? Okay, I'm waiting for you to subscribe. Tap that red subscribe. Oh yeah, tap on. After you tap it, now turn on the notification bell, so whenever I post a new video, you get notified. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.